1 Minute English. In this 1 minute lesson, we are going to have a look at some different meanings for let go. Let go means to stop physically holding something. For example, after the acrobat finished, she let go of the bar and fell. Let go also means to stop holding a negative feeling. For example, Susan let go of her past and found peace. Let go can also mean to dismiss someone from employment. For example, Derrick had anger problems, so the company let him go. To let yourself go means to stop caring about your health and looks. For example, after losing his job, Derrick really let himself go. Give it a go. Try making a sentence using let go and leave it in the comments below.